guys, so today we are going to do a morning routine with the babies. Right here, baby alive one, baby alive video. And yeah, so these guys are like a couple years old. These are all their dolls. They have like dolls everywhere. And yeah. And yeah, so let's get started. So they're all asleep too, so gotta keep them asleep. Let's wake them up. We'll feed them some breakfast. So this is their bottle. They don't really like to eat much of their bottle, so they just they're not really big breakfast fans. So I just give them a bottle. So I'm gonna try and use something. So it's really hard because I have to use a mirror to see stuff. So I'm using a mirror right now. Okay, there. Yeah, you can see me. So let's keep going right here. So I'm just gonna put you guys right here. Sorry. Let's work. Oh no, the flamingo doesn't work. But yeah. That's good enough. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay. Should I use maybe like that now? You can't see me. Right here. Can you see me that good? Yeah. Can't really see that good, but I think this way is better because I might do it on that bunk bed where you can see me. So yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. I'm gonna start over here. So first I have to put their breakfast down right here. And I'm gonna go wake them up. This is Leela. This is Leela. She's about, I don't know, about 6 months. They're all 6 months. They're 11-ese. 11-ese. Colonies, they're 11-ese. So we got, let's put her down here. Put her down in her high chair. Now I'm going to start down here, right here. Oh, got her. I got her. This is Liliana. She is 6 months too. And she loves to dance. She's like my favorite with the knees. This is right here. This is Jennifer. And how old are you, Jennifer? She's so excited. I'm 6 months. Yeah, she's a really good talker. She's a talker, all right. And she's like, knows how to talk. Like, her first word was when she was like, just born. She was like, ma, 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 ma. She said mama and dada when she was like, right, like when she was like fresh out. And now she says words, and she is 6 months. So let's get her in her high chair. Now, next one is going to be, well, I think maybe we should switch her around here. The tiny one is, she's a little bit tinier. She's like the littlest. She was like after every single one came out. So she's a little one. So she should hit. So that's in that area. Now I'm gonna have to move on to an area that you can't see. Summer, yeah. Yeah, she loves it. What's your name? I like to talk for them because they're like a little bit like little to say, so I just talk for them. And Jennifer is like saying it same thing as I'm saying, so she's like copying me sort of. Summer. This is Summer. She only says like sa. She's not really a good talker yet. And she is about 6 months old. She was the first one out, and she's like a big talker. She's not even as big as that. She's the second last one out, and she's a big talker. She was the first one out, and she's not a big talker. So let's get her in here. Okay, I'm gonna grab this bottle and okay, first, she isn't. Oh, sorry. It looks like she doesn't want it. She's like, I'm putting her head down and holding her head, and then she's shaking her head because I know she doesn't want it. Because she doesn't really like bottles. Yeah, I want some. Okay. This is good. But let's give you some food. Yummy. Is that yummy? Yeah. Yummy food. It's really hard to give it to her because I talk for them because they don't really want to talk, so they just sort of copy me because she was the first one out, and she's a big talker actually. She is a big talker. Gotta fix the screen. Why am I at A-E? Rock, I don't know what. Might be a little bit blurry. Let's give you some more. Some of these. Miss Liliana and Miss Jennifer. Like she says it and I say it together, so it makes a little funny sound. Yeah. Looks like she's a winner bottle. I'll put it in her nose. That's what makes her do. She likes to eat it in her nose. She likes to eat it in her nose. Since that's done, these guys are just gonna have some. So you two are gonna share some cereal, and you two are gonna share some granola bar. Put this right here, and then I'm gonna let these guys sleep. These guys are already awake. I'm just hiding from the camera. are you doing? Okay. Sorry. Oh my gosh. How do I do this? It's blurry. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Just have to get close. Yeah. Not really a morning routine. It's just a little eating, like feeding on routine for like about 10 minutes. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And see you next time.